Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to hop right into this beginner friendly tutorial, and I will be making my client a side part closure wig, and she gave me some hair that she purchased from her local beauty supply, and is the B&B Express Brazilian version hair. I just showed you a 4x4 16-inch closure, and we will be using the bundles 18, 20, and 22. So now what you'll see me doing is taking that 4x4 closure, and I'm going to bleach the knots. So I will be taking that BW2 powder and putting like a scoop. And y'all, honestly, I really put too much in there, but you really don't need that much for a 4x4 closure. And then I'm going to take that 30 volume developer, and I'm going to mix it in with the powder, and I'm going to mix it up to like a toothpaste consistency, and I'm going to spread it on to the closure. Then I'm going to take my phone and go to my clock settings and set it to 20 minutes so that I can lift these knots to like a brownish color. And y'all just stay tuned because I'm going to show you the results after I bleach the knots. So this is how the closure looks. It has that brown tone. It looks very natural. And that was the whole reason for me bleaching it, because I'm trying to get it as close as to a scalp-like look as possible. So, yeah. The materials that I will be using is the 22-inch dome head. I had measured her head so I can get the correct measurement. And I went to my local beauty supply and purchased the mesh dome cap Q-fit. And I also will be using a needle and thread and some T-pins so that when I place the closure onto the dome cap, it's positioned perfect and it won't move, and I can sew it down neatly. So now you see where I position the closure. So I didn't put it exactly in the middle. I kind of put it on the side of where the line is. And then I just make sure I position it super flat down on all sides of the head. And I put it an inch above the cap of where I'm going to start it. And now I'm beginning to sew it down. So now what you'll see me doing is T-pinning the tracks. And I'm going to start off with that 22. And I'm going to kind of put it an inch above where the cap starts. And I'm going to pin it to the right side. And then I'm going to also pin it a little higher up to the left so that it creates a C shape due to the fact that the closure is on the side of the wig. And I'm just going to simply start off by sewing, and I don't want to do too much talking, but I'm kind of gradually am going to sew along where I T-pin the tray. I didn't cut the welts because I wanted to be able for my client to reuse her bundles. So what I did, I'm going to show you all in the clips to come, that I just flipped over the tracks. So that way, if she ever wants to do anything else, she can, due to the fact that I didn't cut it. So yeah, y'all, I'm not trying to talk y'all head off too much, but just enjoy watching this video, and I will talk to you on the next step if needed. And yeah, y'all just finish watching this video for the final results.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So now what you'll see me doing is I cut the third bundle just a little bit, and I just wanted to make sure that I had tracks to go around the closure, and I needed another bundle, so I had to let my client know that I need at least one more bundle. So when you do 4x4 closures, I recommend that you get at least 4 bundles. 5x5 requires 3, but I really feel like 4x4 requires 4 bundles. And all I'm going to do is continue to go around this perimeter of the closure, and make sure that you don't put it right upon the closure, because it can definitely become bulky. So try to place it right up underneath the closure. And I'm gonna do another track just like this. I'm gonna go under that track and go underneath the first track from the perimeter of the closure, and then do the second track the same way. And then with that 4th bundle, I am going to go in and sew that down. And you'll see in the next clips exactly what I do. And I just want you to continue watching the rest of this video, because the results were fire. So, yeah.
Okay. 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 Okay.